Guys, so today we're gonna be installing the fog lights for the F-150 here. I did buy the truck without them. I don't know why they took them off. It's kind of weird and annoying. But I got these aftermarket ones at Amazon. They're pretty nice. They even come with the hardware to install them, and they have a halo around them. So we're gonna see how they look. Okay, so like I said, it's gonna come with 2 springs, 2 clips, and 2 screws. So for this headlight, it's gonna say left headlight, which we are on the left of the side of the truck. And for this one, it's gonna say the MS F-150, which means it's gonna go up. It's gonna go in like this. And the first thing to do is to install this little clip into there. To install it, you have to just push the pigtail in, and it's gonna snap in like that. Mine is a little bit loose since the bracket of this is broken. Whoever took it off is broken. But it is going to be stable once I bolt it in, or so I hope so. And to bolt it in or screw it in, you're going to have to put the screw in like this with the washer, and it's going to go in the bottom of this little bracket until it reaches on the top over here. Okay, so you are going to need a stubby screwdriver. So in my case, I just use one of these pocket multi-tool things, because this screwdriver was way too big. But you don't need to tighten it too much, because you will break the plastic. It is just bolted into plastic. So I mean, yours should be a lot sturdier than mine. Since my bracket is broken, it's gonna move a lot. But I'm gonna put tape or zip ties and see what I can do. But it's simple as that. You just connect the light to that, to your plug. And I am going to install the halos, so they're going to look pretty good. I just need to go get more wire. And I will put night shots to see how they look. So if your light doesn't turn on when you turn on the fog lights, it may be that you have to switch the plug-in, since they do have a positive and a negative. But it's as simple as that. You take off this little film. They look pretty good, to be honest, even in the day. So now I'm going to do the right side. Fortunately, this one isn't broken, so that means it's not going to be wiggling around. Okay, so for the right side, it's the same thing. The little plug. I did forget to mention you're going to have to put it upside down. So to install it, right in the pigtail, and you snap it in. This one did snap, and as you can look, it's not moving as much as the other one, since this side is not broken. So to install the little spring, all you have to do is squish it in between these 2 little brackets. It's not that strong. So to install the plug, there is a positive and negative here, right there. And if it doesn't turn on, like I said, you just have to slip the switches, since they are bi-directional. And that's pretty much it. All you need is a screwdriver. As you see, this one isn't turning on because I plugged it in the wrong way. So this is I'm just gonna flip it like that. Grab this. Plug it in. And now it's on. Simply as that. So now it's time to install the halos. So this is with the halos connected to the headlights corners. As you can see, it turns on the halos with the corners. This corner isn't lit up because I'm missing the plug. I don't know why. And this one is also too. I have to fix that, but I care more about the lights. As you can see, they look pretty nice. And here's a shot with the full pods on. So here's with the full pods and halos on. I didn't think the halos were gonna turn on with the pods too, but they do look pretty nice. So yeah, that's about it. And here's the clips of how it looks on the road. Alright guys, so this is with the just the headlights, the normal headlights. This is with the fog lights. They are pretty bright. I can see to the sides now when I'm taking turns. And even with 5% tints, you can look at the street a little bit. At the 3%, not much. And here is with the headlights. So this is with the high beams, no fog lights, of course. This is with the fog lights and my pot lights. They're pretty bright. I can actually look a lot better. And I do need these since I do travel a lot during the night. So I hope you enjoyed this video.